Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna do a tutorial on this makeup look, the latte makeup look, which is trending right now. It is basically a neutral warm toned makeup look. For that I'm gonna moisturize my skin first using the Embryolisse moisturizer. And then to hydrate my lips, I'm using the Laneige lip balm. For a primer, I'm gonna use the Milk makeup primer. And first, I'm concealing my eyes, like to do the eye makeup first, using the L'Oreal concealer. And then I'm gonna use a bronzer to just give a little bit of color to my crease. So this is gonna add a little bit of warmth. And for my foundation, I'm going to mix these three concoctions from Too Faced, Estée Lauder and the Glowish from Huda to create that foundation look. And then I'm going to use my Huda Tantour to contour my face and cheeks and my nose. And blending it with a sponge so it gives me that skin-like finish. I use the concealer from one size here. And now setting it all with a compact powder, then going over it with baking. So I'm going to use this Fenty Bajan Gayal bronzer. And for my blush, I'm going to use this Benefit Java blush. This is a very warm toned corally blush for my skin tone. That I wanted to use my oldie, the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in molten gold to set everything and melt everything into my skin. I'm going to use this MAC Fix Plus spray and filling in my brows now. Using this old favorite from NYX, it's called the Berlin. This is not available right now, but any day if I find it, I would really buy it. This is my most favorite lipstick shade of all time. And yeah, I'm using my Bad Girl mascara from Benefit. This is the most decent face I can have while using mascara. It was very difficult for me because I make all weird faces while applying mascara. And then I overline my lips a little, and then yeah, that's my finished look. A little bit of close-up for y'all. Hope you liked it. Meet on another one. Bye guys.